Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to be doing a review of one of my favorite products of all time, and that is the Rainbow flip-flops or Rainbow Sandals. I've been using these for about 10 years now, and I will absolutely say that these are the best flip-flops that you can purchase on the market. Over the past 10 years, I've only gone through 2 separate pairs of these, and near the tail end of last summer, I finally wore through the heel on my most recent pair that I had for about 5 years. And at that time, I actually purchased their new double layer version of the flip-flop. However, because it was fall and approaching winter, it was just too cold to wear flip-flops at that time. And so I've yet to use these. And so now that it's getting in the warmer months, I'm super excited to be doing a review of my old flip-flops as well as the new ones. And we'll show the comparisons side by side. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing either of these, I'll leave links in the description below, but I highly recommend them based on my personal experience. Okay, so here are my old flip-flops and here are the new ones. We'll look at the new ones in a second, but I want to go over my old ones first. And so for those of you that are not familiar with Rainbow flip-flops or Rainbow Sandals, they're a company that produces, as you expect, flip-flops or sandals. I first got introduced to Rainbow flip-flops about 10 years ago. I got my first pair kind of randomly when I was in Rehoboth Beach on like a spring day where it was warm enough to need flip-flops, but I didn't actually bring them to the beach. And so I purchased my first pair, had them for about 5 to 6 years, then finally wore through the sole and then immediately replaced it with these. And I highly recommend them and absolutely love them. Prior to that time, I would purchase like cheap, kind of flimsy, like $20 to $30 flip-flops, and they would break consistently or just be uncomfortable. And since switching to these, I have never gone back, and I immediately buy a new pair once I need them. And so last August, kind of tail end of the summer, spring, like summer fall time period when it started getting colder, I finally wore through the heel on my most recent pair that I had for 5 years. And so at that time, I purchased a new pair. However, because it was colder, I just didn't get a chance to open them and wear them. And so I'm super excited to open these in a second. As far as the design, these are the classic kind of tan design. This is what it looks like after 5 years of use. So the leather will kind of wear and like discolor accordingly with the normal wear. It's basically got a 1-inch leather strap, canvas on the inside, and basically has like leather on the top, a foam layer, a foam arch support, and then a thicker rubber kind of durable material that's on the bottom. The Rainbow company is really nice where they have a warranty that they offer that if any part of the sandal, either the top portion breaks prior to you wearing through the rubber on the bottom, they'll automatically replace it. I personally have never experienced any issue with that. So I've worn through the heel consistently every time, and I've never had any issues in the craftsmanship and things like that. So I highly recommend them. This is the classic tan color. This is what they look like. Typically what happens is when you wear them for a long period of time, you'll finally wear through the bottom. I personally always wear through this heel portion here, and then once you wear through this kind of like harder rubber, it does wear really quickly through this softer rubber. So it's a harder rubber and then a softer material. The softer material goes on your foot, so it's really comfortable. And then a similar thing happened on the other heel. So this is what they look like after 5 years. This is how I wore through it. And last summer, what ended up happening is I wore through entirely and it just started to become uncomfortable. So I bought them at that time. However, I didn't get a chance to wear them. The classic version, which is this, usually you can purchase on Amazon or on Rainbow's website for about, I think it's like $60 depending on the model and the style and design. They've got a wide variety of color options, like as far as leather, the darkness of the leather, whether it's light, dark, kind of whatever you want to pick. So you can look at it, but this is the tan version and it does kind of get discolored. So that's the classic version for about $60. As far as what I purchased this past summer that I got at that tail end of summer, because I knew that I wore through the heel more consistently, I decided to purchase their double layer version of the flip-flop. So this will be the first time that I've used these. But basically it's identical design. The only difference is is rather than being a single layer, there's actually a double layer here. And so if you look, they basically have a similar design in the front as far as the rubber kind of foam and then the thicker rubber. But on the back here, there's actually a double layer of rubber. So and this version is about, I think, like $70 to $75 for the price. And so for about $10 to $15 more, you're getting thicker rubber in the back. So hopefully it'll be more durable. And so that's why I ended up with these, because if these lasted for 5 years, I'm suspecting that these will last forever, because the biggest issue I have is that the rubber finally wears through. Regardless, I'll keep on buying these unless something changes in the craftsmanship. But as far as this design, this is the same color, the tan color. This is what it looks like brand new. This is what it looks like after repeated use. When you purchase these, it's kind of like a little bit of a stiffer material. It does take time to break in and conform to your foot, so it's not as floppy and things like that. It's a little bit uncomfortable where it isn't flexible, so you just have to wear them, break them in, and then once it breaks in, they'll be very comfortable. But it's got this leather material, it's got a foam layer, and then this one has like a thicker double layer version as well, which will hopefully be more durable. As far as the bottom, it's basically got this thick treaded design. It's very, very durable. It lasts a while, and that's kind of the gist of this. As far as sizing, so this is, I usually wear a 10 or 10 and a half or so. And so I ended up purchasing their 9.5 to 10.5 size. It shouldn't be an issue. They do have a chart here to show you what the size is, but basically it's one size from like 7.5 to 8.5, 8.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 10.5, and so on and so forth. And if you need to measure the length, you can do that accordingly. Generally, you want something that allows your foot to be on the entirety of the sandal without kind of scraping anything on the side. So that's really it for the flip-flops. This is what they look like brand new. This is after 5 years of use. I highly recommend them. Over the past 10 years, I've gone through 2 pairs of these, wearing them through spring and summertime. I've gotten them soaking wet. I've walked miles in them. They're just an all-around shoe that once it's like nice weather out, I wear these all the time, and they're super comfortable. To be honest, I'm not going to do a try-on. I'm not going to show you what they look like on my feet, just because I don't want to put my feet on YouTube, but just from personal experience, I highly recommend these. You can pick other, like either one. The classic version is great for the price, $60. It'll last forever, and I think if you'll transition of these, you won't regret it. They're definitely better than cheaper materials, and you just got to buy them once and you'll probably never go back. But this is a good review of the Rainbow flip-flops. These are the classic version. This is double version or double layer version in the tan color. If you have questions, comments, post them below. But to be honest, I can't emphasize how good these are, and I'm super excited to get these on my feet now that's nicer in summer, spring kind of weather. So thanks for watching. If you have questions, comments, post them below. But that's really what I have, and I highly recommend Rainbow Sandals or Rainbow flip-flops.